Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to install and uninstall the Joie Sprint car seat. So here, as you can see, I have the car seat with me right here. So this gets attached through the isofix points in your car. So as you can see here, 1 and 2, these are the two isofix points. So this faces inwards in your car and slides in the isofix points, okay? And when you want to take it out, there is a latch right here. So this latch, as you can see, you pull this latch to take it out. So I'll give you a live demo. Please have a look. So in most cars, in the seat, this point and this point over here are the isofix points. As you can see, there's a symbol here, see, here and here. So what we will try and do is align this two hooks. They're more like a slanting mechanism with the isofix points, and then it goes right in, okay? And the red will become green here once you know it's gone right in. And see, it's all stuck in a great way. Okay, so now to take it out, what we have to do is over here there's a lever. You pull the lever out and it easily comes out. So there you go, guys. It's not that difficult. We thought of making this video because we couldn't find a video online which shows this in such a swift and nice way. So it's very simple, nothing to worry at all, and I hope this video is of help. Thank you for watching.